Good morning, everyone. My name is Dr. Devashish Das. I'm an assistant professor at the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Mallabhum Institute of Technology, Bishnupur, West Bengal, India. I'll be presenting an introduction to whirlpool modeling. The outline of my presentation includes introduction, model description, references, and a few suggested books. Before going into details, we are all familiar with the different welding techniques, their advantages, limitation, and application areas. Now, what is whirlpool modeling? It is a realistic simulation of welding conditions to predict in advance the different desired weld attributes such as temperature distribution, residual stresses, deformation, etc. by minimizing the actual number of experiments. Need of whirlpool modeling includes reduction of actual number of required experiments, which saves money, time and effort. It helps us understand the physics behind the joining process. It allows us to predict the failure, thereby improve the safety and reliability of the joints, and thereby make the product market competitive. A few popular models used for whirlpool modeling are listed here, which include soft computing based model, phenomenological model, statistical model, finite element model, and analytical model. Phenomenological model is a computational fluid dynamics based heat transfer and fluid flow welding code which predicts temperature distribution, velocity field, whirlpool geometry, cooling rate, etc. during different welding process. The effect of Marangoni, Lorentz, buoyant forces on different weld attributes are analyzed by this phenomenological model. Finite element model is a numerical technique used for the prediction of temperature and stress distribution, distortion, etc. prior to real experiments. Abacus, ANSYS, SysWeld, Adina systems, etc. are few common techniques. Cylindrical, double ellipsoidal and conical models are most popular heat source techniques in FEM model. Statistical models are data-driven techniques most commonly used. Regression analysis, response surface methodologies, etc. are extensively reported in the literature. However, this technique has some issues such as modeling of multiple responses is difficult. Moreover, the non-invertible nature of its input-output transformation matrix makes the reverse model difficult. This issue is addressed through soft computing based models. Here, the algorithms have adaptive capability to the changing dynamic environment. It utilizes artificial neural network, fuzzy logic, etc. along with nature-inspired algorithms such as particle swarm optimization techniques, spider monkey optimization techniques, etc. Analytical modeling utilizes experimental data for the development of equations. These equations are reported in literature and tested by different researchers until it is validated. These are the references. A few recommended books include Soft Computing by Fundamentals and Application by Professor D.K. Pratihar, Welding Metallurgy by Shindo Kou, Solidification Process by M.C. Fleming, etc. Thank you very much.